Namurachi Canyon, about 3 hours away from Chihuahua, had temperatures above 100 degrees by noon. It was very dry, dusty place where I couldn't find any drop of water. Anthropology says human traces are found at most 25,000 years ago from now on. In contrast, this canyon is a result of a large mountain carved out by waters, way long before human beings were on this planet. If we continue to walk in along the slack canyons about 700 meters, we will reach a plaza where it can accommodate 2 to 300 people, and in the center of it, we will see an altar of Catholicism. Often the altar was removed from and musical concerts were held here. Before this sacred land was taken away by Spanish conqueror Cortes' army in 1537, the owner of this place was Namur, a small tribe of Azteca. This place was used to escape and hide from the conqueror's coercion to convert to Catholicism, and it's remembered as a genocide place where many people were beheaded for their belief. Now, 500 years later, the sadness of that time is completely forgotten. Probably I can say it was erased from the history. Sorrow and the teardrops of Namuru has been replaced by King of Peace, Jesus Christ, and Our Lady Mary's statue. Currently, the Catholicism is a religion of 72% of Mexicans.